What is your name?
My name is Sonima Narjari.
Full introduction.
I have my mother. I have 3 siblings. We are total 4 siblings. And I'm from Jammu. I'm from Assam, but in Bhairabkundo, in Tinali. I'm staying there in near picnic spot.
No, I can't know that.
जोङो साबा जायो
दायो permanent थानो थाखाय न' गैया
गैया
न' गैया ना
जोङो होजों मेघालयाव थानानै ओमफ्राय इयाव फैनायाव आलाय सिलाय जाफैबाय
ओमफ्राय मेघालयाव मा खालामना दङ
जोंना मेघालयाव दखान दङमोन ओमफ्राय जेब्ला जाहा बाबाया थांबाय होमबाना जोंनि न'नि हालोदा बिगारबाय
बबाव थांखो बाबायालाय
बाबाया खारबाय
बेलेगाव खारबाय फरायबाय थायोमोन ना
औ
मा मोनखोमोन फरायनाया
आङो क्लास 10 जाबायमोन होमबाबो फैसा सापर्ट खालामनो हायैखाय आङो क्लास 10 खौ फरायनो हायाखिसै
In which school you study?
I was studying in Meghalaya in Joblang Higher Secondary School in
In
Shalang.
which class?
I was studying in class 10.
In which year you left Ceylon?
I left just in 2026 this year.
At present in Bhairabkundo, where do you stay?
Now we don't have our own house, but we're staying in rent house. They are just mocking us. They just want us to leave the house.
That means that you have permanent no gave here.
No.
Good of sort here. दा मा बुंनो बिनानाव दा गोबां बे लामाजों थांलाय फैलाय छात्रफ्रा फरायनो थाङोब्ला नोंथांनि मेगनाव मैदेर गयोना गयोना दा नोंहा खुनु बेबायदि सम जायाखै बेबायदि फिथाइ सामथाइ फाननाय बेबायदि खुसेर फेरेनाय सम जायाखै दायो आन्डार 18 नङा होमबा नोंनि एजआ बेसेबां
आङो दा 14 years ल
14 years what would you say because you have some dream right in the future
yes.
What do you become in the future
I want to be an IITian.
IITian
yes
but do you think that your dream will not come success unless until if someone will not help you out
yes I think so because no one is supporting me financially and for that purpose I have to struggle for studies but I will struggle for my studies but no one is there to support me financially so I couldn't resume my studies.
You can resume your studies for the financial support.
Yes, because of financial support.
Because of financial support.
Yes.
What would you say to BTC government? Because you are a small state, okay? You are under 18, right? So what would you request to Agrama More, sir? Because you are just, because no fixed permanent rented or whatever it is, you don't have your permanent rent, right?
Yes.
You're staying here in the right? What would you say?
I would just request sir to help us because we are poor people and they are for us only. Democratic people they help us the poor people so I just request that please help me that I could resume my studies and I can become another person in the future that I can make my father realize that what have he done.
Okay. Sister, you have lots of sorrow means you have lots of sadness because
yes.
you don't have father along with you and you don't have permanent resident to stay, right?
Yes.
And again you want to study.
Yes.
So what would you say?
I want government. Yes, I want shelter. Government to help me for fixed shelter and for my studies that I could resume my studies again. And I want to become another person in the future that I could help poor people who are staying like this. I will feel proud of government if they would help me.
But according to your answer, I can understand that you are a very bright student. You're a bright student and you have lots of future planning, right?
Yes.
Future planning. Do you think one day, until if no one will also help you, by this way you will again go for a further studies? Do you think that by this doing hard work, do you think again you will study in this way? Do you think?
I cannot study like this because until someone help me, I cannot resume my studies again because my mother alone, she cannot help us.
What does your mother do?
She just sell groceries like us and groceries monies don't make sufficient.
For your family?
Yes.
Family. खैजन दं नोंसोरखौ?
जोङो साबा जायो.
साबा? सोर साबाया?
आंनि फंबाय ओमफ्राय सानै बिनानाव ओमफ्राय मामा.
दा नख'रानो गैया खैदिन मालायनाव थागोन बेखौ मोनसे सिन्था दंना बिनानाव माबायदि सिन्था दं
मानेकि जोङो जायनि न'आव थायो इसोरबो जोंखौ होनो ओंखारलांदो होननानै मक खालामो होखारो ओमफ्राय जोङो सिगाङाव आबैलाहानाव थादोंमोन आबैमोनाबो होखारबाय ओमफ्राय दानोबो जोङो इयाव रेन्ट हाउसाव थादोंमोन रेन्ट हाउसाव थानायावबो 2 weeksल'सो जादोंमोन होमबाबो होखारफिनदों ओंखायनो जोङो शेल्टार नांगौ जोङो आंनो फरायनो थाखाय फाइनान्सियेल सापर्ट नांगौ
बाट दा गोबां दुखु बिनानाव गोबां दुखु ना लास्टलि बिटिसि गभर्नमेन्टनिफ्राय मा खावलायनो सानदों नोंथांनि लाइफआव मोननै बुस्थु मेनलि शेल्टार जेराव शेल्टार गैयाबा जेबो खामानि जाया फिक्स शेल्टार एन्ड अबाउट योर स्टाडिस मानो होनबा नों फरायनो गोबां गोसो दङ नङा होमबा मा बुंनो बेनि बेलायावहाय सानैसो मा खावलायनो सानदों
आं आं सारखौ मा आं सारखौ खावलायनो सानदोंदि आंनो हेल्प नांगौ आङो गावनि फिक्स शेल्टार मोननानै आङो गावनि स्टाडिसखौ रिज्यूम खालामनो हानाय बायदि ओमफ्राय जाहाथे आंनि न'आव जेबो प्रब्लेम जायै बायदि ओमफ्राय आंबो गावनि स्टाडिसखौ मोजाङै रिज्यूम खालामनानै आङो जेथिके ग्रसारि सेल खालामालासिनो आङो फरायनायाव कनसेन्ट्रेट खालामनो हानाय बायदि
Okay,
बेखायनो आं
lastly, I will ask you one thing that what would you say if you success one day? What would you say? Because you have lots of sorrow in your heart. What do you say? Because by looking your eyes, I can understand. You have lots of trouble in your life. What do you say? If you success one day, what do you say?
If I become a successful woman in the future, I would thank God who have helped me to reach every stage. And secondly, I would thank the government who have helped me to help like this and who helped me to studies, who helped me to start my further studies and who gave me shelter. So
At this test, the location is which location you are selling these fruits and the sugar can use to sell day by day.
in Bharakunda Tinali.
Tinely.
Yes.
And it belongs to which Somosti? Peruna Somosti.
Yes.
Peruna Somosti, na?
Yes.